And we are live. Welcome everybody. Welcome to our live streaming. Wednesday live streaming. Adolf Williams, good morning. Luke Storm, good morning. Weird dream last night. Do tell, brother, what did you dream about? Weird dream. Maybe you actually bought some stocks and make $1 million one trade, maybe. This would be a good dream. Good morning, Emily. Good morning. So we're watching a few stocks on the market open. Let me just check if we have something on our stock screener for today. VVOS. Yeah, we got rejected around the 37. We pulled back now, almost 40%. We give half of the gain that we did in pre-market. This one is, heavily shorted. We'll see if we hold here before the market open. If we held, would be good over this support. We might have a reversal. Alaxo doing alright, is still holding over the 7 even in pre-market. Look at this. Bounce from our support. Again. Bounce again from our support. Yes, NVOS. NVOS. We have VVOS and NVOS. Just one letter different. Yeah, but we didn't have a squeeze for the day yet. But yeah, it looked good, this one. Not bad. This would be a really fun dream to have, running after unicorns. Yeah, it would be a really weird dream actually. But all dreams are kind of weird. All kind of dreams are weird. They don't have explanation. Yeah, we got some stocks pulling back yesterday. We'll see if we have a reversal. Look at this. This is madness. I never saw this before. For RVLP, we have 0.00 yesterday and today as well in pre-market. I think we got halted. There's no trades for this one. That's why we have 0. I don't know why we have 0% change. Live W, we got some action still holding over the support that we discussed. VME shorted 24%, yesterday 35%. But watch out, we getting near a bottom here for FEMY. We might have a reversal here. $1.70, $1.30. this range, we should have a huge reversal. This is it. If we don't want to have a real flush for this one, we need to hold over this box. And let me just lower our resistance there. Yes. So yeah, this one might give us some action. SPRC, yeah, still holding our current support. Pixie still holding the support as well. We expect a huge reversal for many stocks. Watch out, a huge reversal for many stocks. Maybe at the end of this trading session. SLNO, we don't have a breakout from the 3020. NVAX, we got a question from our member here on YouTube, ask about this. And we got some FDA approval update for the COVID-19 shot, NVAX. We got some crazy news coming up. We might have a squeeze for this one because we have FDA approval news if we broke the $8.25. I don't know if you listened to me, brother, who actually posed the question. If you listen to me, just watch out for the $8.25 break, because once we have a breakout from the $8.25, we're gonna have a squeeze toward the $8.90 and the $9.55. This one looking juicy. This one looking juicy. But for today market, we have this one for a chance for a reversal. Alexo, yes, this one have a chance to reverse. We got VVOS holding the support. FRN, NVOS, ICU. No, you didn't see me. ICU have a huge range here between the 71 and 80 cents. We'll see. AVTX looking good as well for today. Muhammad, no problemo. Clifton, just remember this. Everybody talk about market crash. They were talking about it since this summer. A lot of people sold their like mini stocks, and many stocks pumped, like Nvidia pumped, Dell pumped. So I don't listen to the news. I don't listen to people who don't understand anything. They just say the market crash every time. Until the market crash happened, then we say, yes, I told you so. But they always try to predict the crash, and always they prove wrong. So I don't listen to them. I only watch for the technical. If we're going to have a crash, it will be visible on the technical. So I don't care about what people say. Because the black swan, usually, you can see it. You can see it coming. The black swan. We have black swan happening every time. And it's really hard to predict. Hammer, what's your native tongue? My native tongue is Earthlands. I'm from Earth, brother. They came from Earth, planet Earth. As everybody knows, there's other creatures beside Earth. So if you are from Earth, we are the same. We came from the same sand and same atoms. So there's no difference. Tongue is just made up, brother. Language is all made up. Culture, language is all made up. So if you define yourself by language or where you come from, this is really small. You're gonna live in a small world. So I don't define myself by language or where I come from. I try to forget even, because whatever you came from doesn't matter. The most important thing is where you're going, brother. Where are you going? So usually I don't ask people like where they are from, because this is fixed. You can change. Yes, I know that. But the most important thing is, the most great question to ask anybody is, where are you going? So if the person know where they're going, this is a special person. I have to know him. But if I ask someone where you come from, come on, this is generic question, and you don't know exactly what the person is made of. Because usually when people ask where you come from, they will try to put some kind of a story behind you, you know. So if you came, I don't know, from Africa or Middle East, or if you came from Europe, they have preconceived notion from where you come from. Thank you. Anyway, we're watching some stocks now. Let me just check some things here. We got NVOS or VVOS jumping 50%. We got BCLI still holding the support. We got Sonex not good. Let me just check if we got hidden unicorn. This one is pumping from the bottom. Vino not good. Let me just check again if we got something. This one jumping 19 or 7%. No. Okay, so we're good to go, I think, here. Let me just check Nikola and AMC. AMC and Nikola, okay. Nikola today 2% and yesterday 3%. Not bad. Press the like button, everybody, on the way in. We got many questions from you guys. Where or when, Jesus, your prediction of AMC will come true? Will be a good question to ask. At the same time is not. You know why? Because the movement of the stock, we can't decide. It's not in our hand. The movement and we're breaking this resistance is on the whale hand. So if someone told you that AMC will pump tomorrow, either he have inside news or he's lying. Okay, if you have inside news and you have a huge news, like for instance for pharmaceutical company, you have like FDA approval news, yes, we're gonna have a pump by tomorrow exactly. But as everybody knows, nobody or small percentage have inside news, and even if you have it, it's illegal to have it. So I don't care about getting the news. And of course, if you don't have this, it means you're lying. So that's why we don't know exactly when the price will go for AMC, but we have the signal. So I don't want to lie to you and say, okay, after 3 days or 4 days, but I'm just telling you the truth here and say nobody knows unless if you have inside news. So here is a consolidation zone. So what's it mean? It means here the price is preparing for a move. Whatever the price below or over the $7.34 and below this range of 860 and 9, we don't have any activity. This means the price will go up and down, up and down, and up and down until we have major news coming up. Yes, Irvine, Vino is pumping. Luke Storm, CCG, yesterday 6%. Not good, brother. This one is still going down. We have the 1085 as a resistance, support 9. So yeah, this one is getting hammered by the short sellers. Yes, getting hammered every day is getting hammered. So yeah, 1085, brother, this is the price that we have to break. 912 is support. Profit taking, if we're really lucky enough to break the 1085, is the 1360, 1588. Volume is a bit light for this one. Yeah, TLRY, we have a pump, but this is before the earnings. The earnings is not today, after 2 days, brother, and it jumped just 5% from the bottom, so this doesn't do anything for us. So this jump is kind of pull trap. We might have a sell-off before the earnings. So this is maybe buy, sell before the news, yes. So this one is sell before the news, or buy the news, sell the stock when the market open on the earnings. So I'm not comfortable with this one. And it's not 9%, it's just 5 now. On the other hand, we got HELE. This one we hunted yesterday. And we discussed this break yesterday on our elite, on our elite hunt yesterday. Yes, we did this one yesterday, HELE, for our 1 day swing trade for our elite hunters. And we discussed this break. We said if we broke this support, it means we could actually short this stock down. You see, if we didn't held the first support is the 113.64. We could either short and close our short here around this box between the 160 or 106 and 101, or buy around this reversal. Guess what? If we see here, the price entered our profit taking, because this is the short that we opened yesterday, of course, for this stock. Current price is 113. Price is the market closed. Now it's closed. Once we opened, actually we opened around 106. Yes, so we shorted around the 113.82. So we shorted here before, like around this break, and then now we are 6% down. So once the market open, we're gonna close this position, guys, very quick, because we might have a pullback up. Okay, so here we should close our trade because we entered our profit taken for the short. As everybody knows, if you short the stock, it means the profit taken is down. Is down. So if you shorted the stock here, this is all in the money. Is mean you are in a profit. So how you calculate this? You calculate it down, okay? So if the price went down, this is the profit. And the opposite, if you actually long the stock, you be down 7%. You don't be up 7%. Okay, so TRY, the earnings today. Maybe we have some kind of error in TradingView, because in TradingView I can see that the earnings not today, after 2 days from now. We'll see. AVTX, okay, PCLA or PCLI, ICU 37% or 3% down. See if we got something here. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like on the way in. Hit the like button on the way in, everyone. Just checking the if we got some entry for some stocks. No, we'll see if we got some entry here. Yeah, Google still does good here. It's not that bad. In big picture, yeah, still looking good. Meta, the same. Good morning, Alvaro. Good morning. Juan, good morning. Yes, BNX on the open. Yeah, still looking good. It's not bad. For me, I'm watching HELE on the open because we shorted from yesterday. We did an update for this stock yesterday, our Elite Hunter. So we're gonna close this trade because it broke our support and we shorted here around this level. Now it's entering our profit taken around the 106 and 101. We are inside it. Yes, as we said, we might have a huge pump on the market open for this one because it's testing a support. You see we have a bit of green candle, so I'm gonna close this trade once the market open for this trade, because on my broker here for this stock we can actually close the trade in pre-market, so I have to wait until the market open. Not bad. Now it's 6%, 0.41 down, and as everybody knows, if you short, it means you make profit by declining in the price instead of appreciation in price. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We almost hitting the 50 likes. This is really important. Let's hit the 50 like before the market open. It's doable. We got almost 4 minutes left on the market open. Let's see the 50 likes in order to bless you everybody with my holy water. holy water always help us to be green and find the good unicorns. Hit the like. Okay, nice. It's pumping down. Yes. HELE. It's dumping down before the market opened by 2 minutes. So this one, guys, we're gonna close it very quick because it's hitting our ultimate profit taking around the 101. Look at this. It looks juicy now. It looks juicy. Let me just take this box. Yeah, we're gonna hit the 101. So this one, after the market open, we're gonna have a huge reversal here around the 101.95. So this is a support. Now it's almost 10% down. So I expect a reversal here. We're gonna have a reversal, maybe go until the 107, then continue to go down if we broke the 101. But I don't want to bet on this, so I'm gonna close it there on the market open. So we have 1 minute left. So guys, disclaimer, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you, and never run after the price. And just to make sure, we're not financial advisor here, so always do your due diligence before you put money on the line. So let's get right to it and start our Thursday hunt, guys. We have HALE. We hunted yesterday on our elite 1-day swing trade. We discussed this one and we said if we broke the first support, we could actually short this stock, and we close our trade here. So now the market is about to open. So let's see. This one we have to close it on the market open. Okay, once the market open, we have to close HELE, or Helen of Troy. Nice name, Helen of Troy. Okay, the market is about to open, everybody. Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna close it here. Yes, nice, guys. Nice trade for this one. I'm gonna close it right now because we hadn't our profit taken. Okay, let me just check. Yes, I'm gonna close it right now. Boom. Okay, I close it right now because this is really risky. We might have another drop, but here we might have a reversal. So we close our trade right around our last support here for this stock. This one broke our support on the pre-market today. You see what's happened here? We have a wick. You see what's happened here? That's why we closed our trade, because here we might have a reversal. So we don't want to risk it. Okay, that's why we close our trade right now for HELE from yesterday hunt. It was really quick. The market opened, few seconds. We take 10% on this trade. As we said, if the price didn't hold the first support, we could short this stock down. Okay, good hunt for our elite hunters for this one. Even though if you never shorted the stock, this will be a good training ground for you guys. If you never short any stock, it's really simple. It's like buying, but on the opposite side. You know, shorting is mean selling and buying back here. So you actually buy back the shares from here. Okay, so you bet that the price will go down. So you actually buy around this level, and you borrow it from someone who actually say that the price will go up. So when the price go down, you actually make the difference here. See what happened here? As we said, the price will reverse. Look at this. Huge reversal. Boom. That's why we exited from this trade exactly here. And now we could actually buy, but this is really risky. I don't want to buy around this bottom. So yeah, we just leave it. And it was a good trade, guys. Now is reversing from the bottom. Boom. How much we did even from this bottom? We did another 3.70. Yes, almost 4%. So you could actually short, then buy back here for a long position once again. Good hunt, guys. Hit the like button, everybody. Okay, let me just check the other stocks. AVTX, BCLI, not good. ICU, not good. Not good. NVOS. Whoa, NVOS looking good. This one, nope. Let me just check. Alexo. Yes, Alexo looking good as well. NVAX, no. So NVOS, maybe we're gonna have a trade here. Let me just check. AMC, Nikola. Yeah, we have a bit red day here. Everything's pulling back. Whoa. Huge pullback here. Okay, we'll watch. The market is a bit have a pullback. Okay, NVOS. We might have action here for NVOS. CDT. Someone said this one to the moon. Let me just check. Nope, it's going down. HELE is still holding our support. Nice. We might have a reversal here. VVOS. Are we gonna have a reversal for VVOS? VVOS. Okay, not found. NVOS. This one we might have something, but a bit risky here. It's a bit risky. AMC is still holding. Nikola is still holding. You see, we have a huge red sea of red. So the market is pulling back and the market open. This is normal. FEMY started to reverse from the bottom. FEMY. Maybe we're gonna have an entry here. Let's see if we have something for FEMY. Started to reverse. Let me just check if we have a support, a new support around the $1.97. We got resistant for this one is around the $2.37. We might have a bit of green day for FEMY because we found a bottom here. Yeah, around the $1.70, 130. Yeah, this is the bottom. So this one might give us another kick, at least toward this orange line, the $2.40, before we get rejected. Another 12%. As we said, this is the bottom for FEMY. Wow, NVAX not good. Broke the support. Okay, Alexo the same, broke the support now. Now we're gonna have a flush because we broke the support. Time to short. Time to short Alexo. I'm narrowed down the list, everybody. That's why you see me deleting some stocks. I'm narrowed down our list. Hit the like button, everybody on the way, and don't forget. Live W not ready. BNOX. Maybe we might see something for this one. I will keep it. SPRC. RVLP have a weakness. Whoa, we got hidden seller there. This sneaky guy just entered around the 1346. FEMY, I'm still waiting for another kick toward the 250 or 240 at least. Now we are around the $2. Nice reversal actually, nice bottom here for VME. So this one started to reverse, everybody. This is the only one I'm watching because the other trade we close it right around the 101. This is the first trade, and actually we opened it from yesterday on our elite hunt. We discussed the breakout for the support, the 113.64, and we said this is perfect for short if we broke this support. Market open, we hit the bottom support here around the 101 and we close it. And you see here we tested right around our support, the 101.95. The price reversed. As we said, close your short position here. We close it, the price reversed. And now we watching FEMY for a test for the $2.42. First resistance, and maybe even profit taken, because here we might get rejected again. Before this AMA we might get rejected, and if we didn't, it means squeeze, boom, go toward the $3.30. This one is been shorted since Monday. Boom, we got shorted almost 60%, and before we jumped actually 300%, almost 300. So this one is it's not over, guys. It need to have another kick. We need to have another kick toward the $2.50 or 40. But it's stagnating here. It's still stagnating. HELE still holding. ICU, huge pullback down. Not good for today. For ICU, we might have a flush, everybody, because we kind of broke the support here around the 55. So yeah, ICU is time to short. For my opinion, it's time to short ICU. This is kind of tricky now. We might have a pullback around this level. Yes. We have a range of pullback there. We'll see. Alexo, yes, time to short Alexo. Time to short Alexo, everybody. We have Alexo and ICU breaking a support, so both of them are weak. Wesley, thank you, brother. Thank you. RVLP. We took it from the list. No, it's still there. RVLP, guys, still holding last support here. Yes, still holding over the 11. We have a seller, hidden seller around the 1346. So watch out for this level. If we broke it, it's me game on. Around the 1350, yes. We're still watching. FEMY is still watching for this one. There's a huge fight for this one. A huge fight here. Yes, ICU and Alexo time to short. Perfect short here. FEMY is started to pump. We might have a new high over the 220. Yes, we see a new high here. We're gonna have a new high. Still waiting. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. We found it. We have a support over the $2. If we held, it will be good. If we held, we might have this. At least 13% for this resistant and profit. $2.42. $2.16, 17. Nice. Come on. Come on. We need another test for the $2.17 right now. Yes, $2.18 again. Let's see another kick. We need the 30 now. Booyah. 20. Okay, let me just check. Okay, we kick in now for FEMY. Come on, we need another kick. Whoa, FEMY guys is squeezing. Okay, I think I'm gonna take my profit here. Let me just check. Whoa, really big here. We're up now almost, yes, not bad for this profit. Let me just check. Yeah, it's really volatile here. Okay, let's see if we're gonna take profit here. Yes, I'm gonna close the trade now. Yeah, profit is profit. Yes, getting near this level. I'm gonna take profit now. Oh yeah. We sold FEMY. Nice reversal, guys. Nice hunt. Hit the like button and the way in, everybody. Okay, FEMY. Once we break the resistance, I might enter again. That's why I don't trust it, brother. Here we might have a rejection because the short seller is still there. We have a huge wall here. That's why I took profit. I don't trust those stocks, brother. I don't trust them. I have trust issue. It's like you have a girlfriend and you see her cheating on you. The next time you don't trust your girlfriend because she already cheated on you. The same with those stocks. I don't trust them, man, because they actually fooled me before. So when I have a profit, I will take it. Bill Hutchin. No, brother, I don't need anything. The power of our freedom, if you want to be happy, actually, You have to need nothing. If you don't need nothing, you be like the king of everything. But if you need something, love, a girl, money, security, guess what? You never have it. You can't have it. Even if you have it, you need more. You need more money. You need more women. Like you need more security. More is not enough because we are human. We're greedy. So this simple answer is needing nothing. If you don't need money, you're gonna have money. It's law of attraction. If you don't need girls, girls will come to you because you don't need them. And you will ask why this guy doesn't look to me, like why this guy never texts me. So the idea is you don't need something, will come to you. But you have to, don't lie to yourself because it's actually shown. If you really want money, but you pretend that you don't want it, and money will never actually be attracted to you. So the idea is needing nothing. Of course, you just need food and water. Exactly, Bill Hutchin. Exactly. Define what's the thing that make you happy. For me, music, just music, playing guitar or making sport, And both of them give me something. One actually food for the soul, which is the music when you play music, not just listening, but playing. And the other fuel or food for your muscle and your body, which is doing sport. The same with the motorcycle. It's kind of a way of expressing your emotion, or you let go for your body and you just let the motorcycle actually lead you. So whatever your drug is, try to pick the right drug or the healthy one, because some people just take the easy way and take cocaine instead. Alvaro, great hunt, brother. Vino, where's Vino? Whoa, Vino, we have a breakout and resistant break. And now we have ultimate price actually around the $3.87. This is it, guys. We might have a huge pullback now. Yes, watch out. Vino is pulling back. And VME, FEMY is still squeezing everybody. Still squeezing, but I'm not touching it. We already took profit on FEMY. HELE still holding our bottom that we discussed yesterday for our elite hunters. We discussed this short opportunity for HELE for 1 day swing trade. And we close our trade once the market open around this level. So yeah. FEMY is still pumping, guys. FEMY is still pumping. Great hunt, guys, for this one. Exactly, man. It helped, but this is kind of bad way to use cocaine, because it's not healthy way. If you want to trade every day and use cocaine every day, this is a spiral, because the more you use a cocaine, you want to use more. So if you can actually control this. So the best way is to use the nature, like water, food, music, something normal. And even better if you don't need even music to motivate you. I will give you an example. It's like nuclear energy compared to combustion engine. For the combustion engine, you need fuel. And the fuel is run out really quick. So let's say for a car, you have to go like 200 kilometers in order to fill your car with the fuel in order to go another 200 kilometers. For nuclear energy, you don't need nothing, man. It's kind of unlimited. It's kind of infinite. The same is with the mental energy. If you actually have motivation inside you, this is a nuclear energy. For me, I don't go like to the gym. I don't need music because I found the nuclear energy that actually regenerate inside my brain to make me go to the gym without thinking. So you have to find the nuclear energy inside of you. Everybody is different. You have to find it yourself in order to do something you can actually do. It's like really hard to do. Like going to the gym, it's really hard. Running like every day, it's really hard. Eating healthy or never eating sugar, it's really hard. You need inside motivation. You don't have to watch music or motivation video because this is kind of not nuclear energy fuel. This is bad fuel. It can actually run you like for 1 hour, 1 day, then the fuel will run out and you want to again to fuel yourself in order to do the other things that you can actually do or you hate to do. Weed blocks lucid dreams. Weasley, interesting. But man, Weasley, like lucid dream is kind of really hard to have, even if you don't smoke weed. Like lucid dreaming is kind of, you know that you are actually dreaming inside your dream. Is that what you mean? If that's so, it's really hard, brother. I only managed to do that when I was 10 years old. Exactly, Wesley. Really, really good that you actually managed to do that, brother. Wesley, thank you, brother. Exit, I just reply on the interesting question, brother. If you have interesting outside the box thinking question, I will reply to you. Exit. Yes, brother. You are welcome. NVOS. Whoa, NVOS. Maybe we're gonna have a hunt here for NVOS as well. Yeah, it's about to break the 41. Not bad. ICU is going down. AVTX, no. HELE, no. Vino, yes, got rejected around the $3.87. So, NVOS, guys, is about to squeeze here. Look at the big picture, looking interesting. NVOS. Man, this one mean business. Let me just check. NVOS. Maybe we're gonna have a hunt here. Yeah, it looked dangerous here. It looked dangerous here. Near a resistant. NVOS 3%. Okay, let's see. NVOS, are we gonna break now? 41. 4%. We have 49 as a profit taken if we really squeezed. Yes, 19%. NVOS. FEMY, yes, pulling back. As we said, $2.42 is the resistance. NVOS is about to squeeze, guys. Okay, 41.12. Let's see. 41.18. Come on. What's gonna happen here? This is a resistance. Yeah, we have a pullback. Normal, everybody. This is normal. This is normal to have. 41 test. Okay, if we're gonna have action is for this stock, NVOS, guys. Whoa, Nikola, man. Nikola pulling back down hard. Watch out for the $1.34 for Nikola. Watch out, everybody. NVOS is pulling back right around our resistance. Okay, we're not ready yet. I think we're still not ready. Vino rejected right around our resistance. Now testing a support. NVOS is squeezing, guys. NVOS started to squeeze. Another test and rejection. Yes, not ready yet. Yes, 41 exactly here. 41. Let's see if we break. We might have a pullback, guys. Until there, if we're not ready, we're gonna have a pullback here. 38.72 before we squeeze. We need to hold here. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Oh, brother, $3. I think we're gonna break the $3 now. This would be bad if we broke the 3. Would be really bad if we broke here. Yeah, we need to hold this level, $3. $3, everybody. Hit the like, everybody. Let's see the 70. Let's see 70 likes. Now 66. The devil number. We don't need the devil number. I don't know. I don't believe in this kind of things about numbers, devil numbers and things. Every number is good. If you believe that 66 is devil number, then then the devil will actually appear to you. Maiden, man. Iron Maiden, yes. No, it's not Iron Maiden, but who's the guy who actually invented the 66? There's a guy. He's the master. He's the holy grail of heavy metal. I forget his name. Man, he's the best singer ever. No, it's not Black Sabbath. I forget, man. You know, when you forget something, you just don't focus on it and you're gonna have it. Not Ozzy, brother, not Ozzy. No, he's already dead. He have a cancer, I think, back in 2004 or something. Dio, exactly, Freebo, Dio. Ronnie James Dio, exactly. Freebo, you got it, brother. Dio, man, Dio. My favorite singer. It's crazy. The best singer ever, man. The true heavy metal guy. Yes, NVOS heading up, FEMY heading up. Guys, we have two stocks. We might have the sky for them. ICU, this one, nope. NVOS pulling back. Yeah, FEMY looking good. NVOS Come on, what's going on here, man? Yeah, we need to have a breakout around the 41. We didn't have the breakout yet. Because if we have the breakout, the short will cover. And we're gonna have a nice pump. $2.49. I don't know, man. I can't see it here. Yeah, maybe this is on your broker, brother. Clifton, no, is as we said, is Dio. Exactly, he started the devil horn hand sign. Yeah, exactly, brother. I told you he's the granddaddy, the granddaddy of heavy metal. It's not love, man. It's not love. Pixie doesn't love us. Yeah, that's why we took it from the list, man. Pixie is slow. We don't have enough volume. Yeah, the chart is chubby. Yeah, I don't like it now. We like FEMY instead, looking good and juicy. You know the Texas ribs, like smoked, baked. The ribs in Texas, I saw like in documentary. I think this is on my list if I visit the United States. It's really juicy. It's been like one of the chef, he said it's been cooked for almost 1 day. Yes, under slow fire, and they have like some kind of spices and you can see it dropping and juicy. The ribs is kind of soft and juicy, and still great in my brain. When I saw this video, man, I was really hungry. Freebo, you're yes, I already watched it. Yes, Freebo. This is one of the video I already watched it before. Back, I think 7 years ago. I watched it 7 years ago, or even 8 years ago. Yes, really good documentary. Yeah, we getting near. We getting close to the breakout, the $2.42. Look, Storm, man. you know why I left Pixie? Because she has a red flag, man. She didn't cheat on me, but I saw some red flags on this girl. That's why I leave her. Why you have to waste your time if you saw some red flags? You just leave, man. You just leave. Run. You have to run. So if you know what you're looking for in a girl, you don't have to waste time, If she did something bad or you don't like something about her, something you can't change, of course, because some people can't change, you just leave, you don't have to explain yourself. Because time is really short and life is short, you don't have to waste time and have drama. I don't like drama, man. My life is full with drama, just with trading. I don't need drama in my life. Bruce, man, this guy, love his music. He's genuinely kind of, when you listen to his music, you kind of, your energy change like in few seconds. This guy. There is no what if, Luke. There is no what if. There is no what if. If the girl have red flags, I'm running. No matter what. I don't want to waste time. Because now I know exactly what I want, brother. And of course, most girls doesn't know what they want. Like I make this joke, like when I met a girl, I told her what you want, like what you want in life or in a man. We have almost 90% like of the replies, they say I don't know. Imagine, 90%. And the girls who actually reply with the answer, the girl who actually over 30 or married or something like this. And some of them actually don't know what they want. That's why they get actually divorced and something like this. So it's really hard to find young, beautiful girl who really want what she wants. Those three things. It's really hard. It's like finding the next Apple, you know? It's like finding the next Microsoft. You have many thousands of stocks you have to choose from, and one of them will be like the next Apple. And until now, there is no next Apple. Imagine. No next Microsoft. No next Tesla. There's just one Tesla. So you see the hard thing that you actually encounter with finding a good stock or finding a good woman to marry. Yeah, exactly, Vrebo. Exactly. 100% agree. Yes. 100%. He has the force and high-pitched voice, you know? He have the force of the voice. It's really hard to get those two. Bill Hedgeham. A lot of good women in Canada. A lot of good women for you, brother, not for me. Everybody have a taste. Maybe a good woman for you is not good woman for me. Shanto, no, I've never been in Canada. My best friend was in British Columbia and he liked it a lot. So yeah, maybe I will visit Canada soon because yeah, you have a lot of things. And the most important thing that I want to visit Canada because there's adventure, you know. If you go in the wild, you can actually meet with a bear or wolves, you know. There's an adventure. But here in Europe, it's really safe, man. It's kind of boring because if you go like camping or something, it's really safe. The only thing that you can encounter in a jungle here or in a park or whatever is like squirrel or birds, or there's no even snakes or scorpions here. This is really crazy. So some people say, okay, this is nice, but for me, no. I need adventure. I need something like threaten my life in order to feel alive. So yeah, being in Canada or United States is really interesting because you have to be on lookout. You have to be a hunter, you know, or you get hunted, of course. So that's why I came up with this analogy of hunters, you know, because I like hunting, I like adventures, I like to be like finding solution in a problem, big problem. Like I have a big bear in front of me. What should I do? I like this. Oh man, EM9. You know what's happened here, brother? You know what's happened here? You find the toxic girl. You know those kind of girl when they feel that the guy actually open to them and he warm and kind of she need the drama, you know. So those girls is bad for you, brother. Is good because she never texts you because she need the drama. She need a bad boy. She need someone who will treat her bad. So it's not good for you, brother. So don't overthink it, and never try to do like change your way of behaving. Just be yourself, you know. Just be your like you do whatever you want. And if the girl doesn't like it, if she doesn't text you, is mean she's not right for you. So I have this trick. Like I feel really comfortable. I sleep at night. I go on the date. I do whatever I want. I tell whatever in my chest. If I like her, I will say I like her. And again, if she don't text back and she play games, okay, I will never text back, and it means she's not right for me. So you don't have to play like ask why, because sometimes you can actually explain. You can explain what's going on with the other people's lives, you know. Sometimes it's really hard to explain. So just do whatever you want and know that the right person, or if the person never stay in your life, is not right for you. This is the only way that I could explain this kind of behavior, you know. Wesley, no man, no man. Like I would never say like old girls bad and playing games. No, no, no. Always give a chance and know where you actually looking for a woman. So if you go in a dumpster, let's say you want to find the honey, you never go to the dumpster. Of course, you're gonna find flies and mosquitoes and cockroaches. You know, those the bad girls that you're gonna find because you go to the dumpster. So you have to go to where the honey is. You have to go to the like flower place, parks, near the like flowers. There you're gonna see bees. You're gonna see honeys. You can see peaches, food, fruits, nice smell, and those the right woman for you. So the place, you have to change your environment in order to find the right woman for you, brother. Clifton, exactly, brother. Exactly. Like my father said. Exactly. Shanto, thank you, brother. Thank you for your hospitality. Really, really appreciate it. Would be really good adventure to have it with you, brother, in Alberta, British Columbia. Yes, it's really beautiful over there. Great question, Dr. Aaron. No, man, people are really simple, man. It's really complex. They're not complex. The most important is to ask the right question. So, in just 1 hour, I can actually find out if the person is good or bad. So, like, simple question. And everybody have the same kind of things they want, you know? Because when you grow up, you forget being a kid. A lot of people have a little kid inside them, you know. So the idea here, when I meet a person, I see if they have passion, if they have curiosity, if this child is still there inside of them or not. Because some people, they don't have inner curiosity anymore. And those kind of people, I don't have interaction with them. I don't have connection. You know, so I need someone have the inner child and still alive, and this is really hard to find right now, because once a person, a guy or a girl, like started work and graduate from college, and like they never have the open-mindedness like about what if or dreaming big, or they have low expectation and no like creativity or passion. And this is actually kill me, when I see some people like have this kind of mentality. I don't have connection with them because they don't have this open-mindedness. Even I've told them like, okay, let's go now, let's take a plane and go to, I don't know, skip us go for a trip. And they told me, no, I have work tomorrow. I was like, okay, I'm joking. I'm just see if you are open-minded or not. And everybody don't actually have this open-mindedness, like playing games and or say what if. They don't have this. So if they don't have this mentality, they're not right for me. What's going on here? Okay, FEMY is still holding. We still holding the support. If NVOS, wow, okay. We have a rejection around the 41. Lexo. Okay, ICU. AVTX. Let me just check everything, guys, here. Okay, so let's do our recap here. We got, as everybody knows, the first stock that we hunted for today, it was this stock, HELE. We already did our hunt yesterday, of course, before the market closed by 1 hour or 2 hours, on our elite one-day swing trade. And we discussed this trade. We said we could actually short it if we broke the first support, and we cover our short here. So that's what we did. Once the market opened, we closed around the 101.90. Then we went directly to enter for FEMY. Once we have confirmed this support, we entered around this breakout. We took profit before this resistance here. It was a nice trade, everybody. Hopefully everybody is green for today. Wesley, Hermosa Beach, from just the name, Hermosa is mean beautiful beach. Hermosa Beach so is Spanish for beautiful. But where Hermosa Beach? Is it in United States or in Latin America? Oh man, the name is kind of interesting. Wesley. Yo, man, when you say snoring, this is the worst thing ever, man. If the girl's snoring, I can't actually have her in my home, because snoring is the worst thing for me, man. I can't sleep at night. For me, it's like I'm like light sleeper. So even if the bird in the morning, imagine, this is how I wake up. I open the windows in my room, and once I hear the first bird in the morning wake up, I wake up with the bird. It's like around 7:30. I don't wake up on the alarm clock. So I wake up with the birds. So this is a good way to wake up, not snoring. Because if someone's snoring beside me, I will never sleep. Man. Oh man. Yeah, there's a treatment, I think, for snoring. I think there's a treatment for snoring. Early bird get the cat. The cat get the early bird. This is the nobody tell you, brother. Early bird, the cat eat them. So wow, this is scary, man. Treatment of snoring is divorce. Yeah, this is the easiest one. Yeah, the first one and the easiest one. You see now I see how life will be easy if you don't have like if you don't have a girlfriend or if you're not married. Life is easier, but life is a challenge. So if you actually have a wife, it's good because this is a challenge. Either you grow with each other or you're gonna break each other. So the choice is yours. For marriage is good. You have a girlfriend is good. But nothing is perfect. If you want a girlfriend, you have to take all the baggage, emotional baggage, the whining, the big troubles, things, a lot of things you have to pay for. Nothing is actually for free. So if you want to have a girlfriend, you have to take everything will come with it. So now I accept everything, man. If you want to be alive, you have to accept to be like dead after, I don't know. So everything is come to the end sometimes. So why live everything? So if you never get married, get married, get trouble, get into like divorce, whatever. So to have experience in life. So even if you don't believe in marriage, just get married, because you could actually live different lives. The more experience you have, even with trouble, is better your life will be after, I don't know. When you are 80, you can go back in time and say, oh man, you tell your grandkids, yes, I married like 5 or 7 women and I have like 50 kids and I travel 100 countries and escape from prison and something like this. Hopefully not a prison. But you get my idea. The more story you have, the more full your life will be, I think. Yes, Nicolas down today. AMC down, Nicolas down, but still holding the support though. FEMY consolidating, this one still holding. Look, Storm, you know what? Now we live in the easiest time ever existent in human civilization. Imagine that. Just go back in time and then come in the present time. You see the difference. We are spoiled, man. We spoiled. We live in comfort. Everything is one click away on our phone. Even getting a date, finding a woman. You don't have to, because you actually can have sex with many women just by watching porn. Even the king of Mongols, I don't know, the king of Mongols empire, I think this is the biggest empire in history, I think. This guy, I think he have sex with 1,000 women. But now, with our accessibility to porn, the kids, like teenager kids, he have more accessibility to more women from this king that have killed many thousands of people and conquered many countries. and he don't have the accessibility of this teenager kid, that he don't have to do anything in order to have those women in front of him from the phone. So this is madness, man. This is madness. Wow, you put it right, Dr. Aaron. Yes, all the problems of humanity is solved, but the major problem right now, this is psychology based. A lot of people are lost right now, man. Some people kill themselves because they don't have direction, they don't know themselves, and this is really sad. Really, really sad. Like before, I think we don't have suicide because we have bigger trouble, bigger problem ahead of us, which is being safe, having food on the table, and of course protecting your family from, I don't know, pirates or Vikings to kill you when you sleep. Now we don't have this problem, but we have the problem of comfort. Too much comfort is not good. Hello, Jesus, why is your stream heading back and forth? I don't understand, what does that mean? Yes, Roberto, exactly. Wait a second. Yes, I think I heard about this, Doctor. Yes. Let me just check. How you spell that? Man, this is really tricky to spell. Let me just ask Google how to spell that.
Ayahuasca.
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 Ayahuasca. The use of ayahuasca dated back to the earliest where it was used by communication with spirit, magical experience, healing rituals. Uh-huh. 1 month past significant reduction were in anxiety, stress, alcohol, cannabis use, body. Okay. Wow. Thank you, brother, for sharing this with us. If I come to Peru, maybe I will maybe I will try this one. NVOS is pumping. Finally, NVOS. Before we finish our live streaming, NVOS is pumping. Let's see if we're gonna have a pump now before we finish our live streaming. Come on, 41. 49 of course is pumping now. Come on, NVOS guys is ready to have a kick. Remember guys, we're gonna do update later on for those stock FEMY because it's about to squeeze. NVOS is squeezing now. We're gonna do those updates here on our unicorn hunt, on our Discord, and of course on our Patreon. So if you are one of our members, expect a short analysis update because we every day, once we finish our live streaming, we do our update here for stocks that pumping from a support or breaking this, pumping from the resistance or breaking the support. So if we broke this support, we could actually either short the stock or buy it around the dip for the next support. We broke the resistance, we can actually have an entry and then we take profit. So this is the strategy that we have to do later on once we finish our live streaming. Wesley, just remember, you are one of our hunter community. Hunter never forget that, never surrender. We always have a goal, brother, here. If you want to talk, our community here for you, brother. Don't forget that. Okay, NVOS is around the corner. We might have a good action. NVOS, everybody. So Vino, game over, I think. HELE, AVTX, ICU, Lexo, NVOS, SLNO. Yes, I think we are good to go, guys. I think the market is not ready yet until NVOS. Oh, okay, I'm gonna keep the live streaming going to see if we're gonna have an action for this one, because NVOS is just right around our resistance. Still holding. We might have a kick now. We might have a jump. Roby, exactly, man, exactly. You know, I think the best solution for suicide thinking and things like this is to just be curious about anything, you know. So when you're a kid, when I was kid, I was really curious about animal kingdom, you know. So I was watching for like ants and what they do, and was mesmerized about their sense of direction, and they actually organize. So I just give them food and check their what they do during the day, and sometimes I just make a fight between the black ants and the red ants. I was really devil kid, you know, so I tried to make a fight between them. So yeah, I was curious about those ants, you know. So being curious and being curious about anything is make you don't have time to have suicide thinking or a lot of things like this, or even time to have to do drugs or bad behaviors, because you're curious about life. And trust me, man, there's a lot of things you could actually spend your time with, and you forget even about time if you're really curious about life, about anything. And the more you go deeper on anything, there is a lot of knowledge, a lot of time to spend to understand something. So this is the joy of being curious, brother. NVOS is about to pump. Wesley, as we said, remember, you are one of our hunter community. If you need anything, Our hunter will be there for you. Remember, you are a hunter. Hunter never actually give up and always discipline. So be disciplined, stay with us here, and let's hunt for unicorn each day, brother. Wow, NVOS is still struggling here. Plus the like button, hit the like button and the way in, everybody. As we said, we always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. After the live streaming will finish, we're gonna do update for our hunters, of course, on our Discord here. So stay tuned for our chart analysis update, both on Patreon and Discord. Yeah, I know, Wesley. I know. I have bad behavior back when I was kids. But you know what? You don't have to think about it this way. When you're a kid, you have everybody. It was curious. We don't think about something is bad or wrong. We just do it because it's kind of fun, and we just want to mess things up. This is kids for you. Yeah, VVOS is going to the moon. We have a huge squeeze for this one. Yeah, we kind of missed this one. We have a breakout around the 36. Let me just check what's going on here. We had this breakout for the support. That's why we took it from the list. You see here? I don't like this. That's why we took it from the list. After that, we reversed almost 59%. So yeah, this one kind of tricked us. So we have a tricky trade here. So we learned our mistake right now. So we don't have to take any stock from the list. And we should have put it alert. So this one is a good example. Good example. Wesley, of course, you are my friend, brother. Wesley, of course. VVOS, wow, man. You know, I feel FOMO now. I feel really FOMO. I really feel FOMO for VVOS because it's kind of squeezing. And we were watching this one, but it broke the support here around the 26 here. It tricked us here on the market open. Once the market open, we have the dip. Let me just check again. Yes, exactly there. Here. We dipped, price reverse. We took it from the list. And the price reversed 50%. But yeah, I don't want to feel FOMO, so I don't care. NVOS doing alright, so we have another trade now for NVOS. Not bad, it's jumping now. NVOS. We have a nice trade here for NVOS. It's still open. We might have a squeeze before we finish our live streaming. We might have a huge squeeze now because we've been accumulating there around the 40. Now it's 41. Yes, Xander. Exactly, NVOS is squeezing. Yeah, NVOS. Key NVOS is still looking good. Guys, press the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Hit the like button. Let's hit the 100. Where's the 100? Whoa, NVOS is squeezing, guys. NVOS to the moon, I think, today. We might have moon landing. We still are under 41. Now 42. Okay, 42.50. Okay, 42, 46, 42.50 now. Okay. Let's go. Everybody is pumping. As we said, we're gonna have a pump before we finish our live streaming. That's what happened exactly. Okay, maybe we're gonna take a bit of profit here. Let's check. Yeah, still kicking. NVOS. We might have a bit of rejection here around the 43. Yes, 43 we might have a bit of rejection. Yeah, 43. We have a heading insect. Oh, whoa. Now we have a bit of pullback. Yes, pullback. Now, you see what's happened, guys? We have a hidden seller came before the 43. The high was around the 42.97. Whoa, big seller, man. Big seller came. Okay, interesting. I will put some support here around the 40. Okay, guys. Okay. So we're gonna do update later on for NVOS because it's still kicking. We got some stocks to update you later on after we finish our live streaming. Thank you for watching. Live streaming as usual tomorrow around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And before that, in pre-market, we're gonna do it here on our Patreon. And our pre-market alert, of course, here you see it with the channel pre-market alert. We always do pre-market alert here before the market open for entry and exit, and reply on your requested stocks, of course, and watch list stocks, of course, for unicorn hunt every day before the market open. We always prepare before the market open. Exactly. Cheers, everybody. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.